students, let's read this question. State whether true or false. First statement is all rectangles are squares. So this statement is false. The reason behind is a rectangle has right angles and opposite sides are equal. But a square has all sides equal. A square is a special is a specific type of rectangle but not all rectangle not all rectangles are squares. So first statement is false. Now move on to the second one, which is all rhombuses are parallelograms. So this statement is true. The reason behind is a rhombus is a type of parallelogram where all sides are of equal length thus we can say all rhombuses are parallelograms. Move on to the second statement comes out to be true. Now move on to the third statement, which is all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. So this is also true. The reason behind is a square is a special type of rhombus in which all are right angles all angles are right angles and a special type of rectangle. A square is also a special type of rectangle with all sides equal. So therefore we can state that all squares are rhombus and also all squares are rectangles. So this statement is also true. Move on to the next statement, which is all squares are not parallelograms. So this statement is false, as the reason behind is squares are parallelograms because it fulfills the condition of parallelogram, which is they have opposite sides equal as well as parallel. Thus, we can state that all rhombuses are parallelograms. That's why this statement will be false. So move on to the next statement, which is all kites are rhombus. So this statement is also false. The reason behind is while a rhombus is a type of kite with all sides equal, but not all kites are rhombuses. Also, kites only need to have two distinct pair, only need to have two distinct pairs of adjacent sides that are equal. So we can state that not necessarily all sides equal. That's why we can state that all kites are not rhombuses. So as we can given that all kites are rhombuses, so this statement is also false. Now move on to the next statement, which is all rhombuses are kites. So this statement is true. The reason behind is a rhombus is a special case of a kite where all four sides are equal. So we can state that all rhombuses are kites. That's why this statement is true. Now move on to the next statement, which is or all parallelograms are trapezium. This statement is false. The reason behind this is a trapezium or we can say trapezoid, has only one pair of parallel sides, while a parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. That's why we can say that all parallelograms are not trapeziums. So this statement is false, as it is given that all parallelograms are trapeziums. So this statement is false. Move on to the next statement, which is all squares are trapeziums. So this statement is true. The reason behind this is a square having two pairs of parallel sides fits the it fits the definition of a trapezium which can have one or two pairs of parallel sides. That's why we can state that all squares are trapeziums. So this statement is also true. So we have found out that which statement is true and which statement is false. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.